So good morning, my beautiful people. I hope everyone is having a beautiful Monday morning. Yep. Yeah, that me go do man. So yeah, Sean today I got work, you know. Ride up on the bike. Yeah man. Real man.
Yeah, I want to stay tuned to Unroll the Shana and do the right thing. You see it?
Yeah man.
Subscribe and like up the video there. Bro, we are up on the road here now.
Yeah man. Yeah man, safe ride now and look more now, hear that. Watch your road sitting there come down so. So yes guys, I don't know, say yeah, I'm me alone there upon the ends and now, for dear. Road look busy this morning, do you know? So I say road busy every Monday morning still. Yeah man, can't get the look overtake there. Yeah man, look more. So yes peeps, you see Sean gonna work. So yeah, I'm alone there, say you know. See there, I'm going on the corner, I'm gonna work. Now I'll come back till 5 o'clock later. So anyways, so yes peeps, may I come across the road here man, because over here is kinda look cooler. Yeah man, so that's the view of my shop from across the road. And that's my next shop. Yeah man, everybody depend on fast movements, you know, because you know say everybody has got work. And you know people can't late for God and work a morning time. You know them have to reach work on time. So that's why everybody are move so speedy. So you go still. Yeah man, everybody are move speedy in the morning, you know. So guys, you know me I go do my shop work and do what I have to do you now. That is it. Yo Jeff! Alright Mark, morning. What is that? Black beast? Yo, Tabby. Overtaking me, Tammy. Do the right thing. Alright, Mo, go back across the road and now. So when then two vehicles pass me, I go cross the road. Nope. Alright. These people think I am going to Port Maria, but I'm not. So guys, more on cross the road and now I'm going to start doing me I do. So yes, peeps, and if you remember to stop at Unruly Shana's shop and give her a support. Who know where the shop here there? All of my viewers and my subscribers. If you don't know where the shop here there and you ever stop and support me already, comment down below and tell me. So I want me having a shop there in the morning now. Whole heap of snacks and juices. See it? Yeah man, whole heap of snacks and juice. We have here. So we have a heap of tough juice there. Feel like people then will go up on their site work or you know they never go to work or they can't get such juice or whatever. And they can stop and get ice cold juice. Frozen like this, frozen. Yeah, we always have them frozen juice at you see it. Yeah man, we have to do the right thing, you know. We try to have everything what people want and what people need. You see it. Oh god, Cruz, come here, come on. Where? So yes guys, I just stop and serve a while ago. So as you can see, me have these pickles. I made them myself. So guys, me know me not do no So guys, me know I not get no whole heap of shop vlog and things from me. But you see right now, if you just look out for a whole heap of video. I will start a vlog about my shop every day, everything. So these are all the things I sell. And as me did I tell you now, say if you don't want frozen juice with people where you know taxi man who have site work, all of them something you can get big frozen bottle of water can keep you for a long time. Frozen juice like that. We have DNG, you know, we have lifespan water well frozen, you know, we have cranberry grape water, we have the original cranberry water, we have a lot more ginger beer, flavor splash. We just have a variety of juice frozen for all who want a frozen juice. You know, you have your juice in your car, you know, you take time sip on your juice. We have frozen boom too, small boom. Same man, we have a variety of stuff here.
Man, water they can wash on.
Yeah man, you want to wash on? This good or you want more? That? That good or you want more? Alright, give me a minute there guys, me go do something. So guys, just imagine you drive a car, and when I drive a car, see them, all the stuff, all the glass burn up, brother. You park, you drive a car, see something wrong with your car and your car can't go no further. See, and you say you leave your car, you know, you park a car at your bridging yard. See, and then somebody, and a neighbor, and your bridging, you don't know who, somebody just come there and light fire right beside your car. Nearly burn out the whole of your car. You see how the tires stay, guys? How the tires stay. Look outside I stay. See there? Look there. All the paint burn off my car. Look there. Even the tire. Look there. Look how the tire burn up, guys. Look how the tire burn up. Yeah? You can't imagine that, brother? Yeah? Somebody light fire side of your car, nearly burn you out. Yeah? Look how the tire burn up. Look there. Look there. All like bumper burn off. Smell like car, smell like... No man. There's something I fuck free. Them are something I fuck. You can't light fire. You can't catch fire side of car. You can't light fire side of car. Look there. Look how it melt. Look how all the light melt up. Look there. I God make this not catch a fire and burn out, you know. But you see when God bless, you see when God bless and God there by your side, it no matter where the enemy or the devil throw at you, remember God will take you out of it, no matter what. Hear that? When God bless, brother. You see how near that man they drive to me a while ago like a feeble, like he whole road of him. Yeah man, when God bless, brother. No matter where the enemy they throw at you, no matter where the devil try to do, brother. God done there by your side already. Remember me tell you, so no matter which wrong I come your way, God done a correct that long time. You see me? That's why we have to always say big up God. You see me? Big up God, big up the Creator, the Almighty One. Yeah man, him alone. Yeah man.